to people. How many people are telling the story of Legal Shield today on your behalf? If you're not one of them, then you've already closed the doors to your business. But what if you have two people? What if it's you and somebody else? Guys, you've doubled your time and energy. Instead of your business having 2 hours today because somebody else is working, now you have 4, right? What if you get 2 more people? Now you have 8. We heard Marty Wynn was absolutely just blowing up his business. I think he said something like he made $130,000 in fast start and manager bonuses in the past year. $130,000 in fast start. People are wondering, how did he make $600,000? He focused on getting people to manager, right? First day, we're going to manager right now. Give me 5 people to talk to. Give me 6 people to talk to right now. We're going to get 3 of them to come into the business. We're going to get their memberships. You're going to manager. Boom. That's how he's done it, right? That is the business. It is you talking to people, and how many people can you talk to? Not how much time can you spend with that person, convincing them, begging them, trying to overcome their objections. Or do you get good at all that? Yes, but hopefully you're using 3-way calls. Coach Fardbell talked about the system, right? I was talking the other day. I was like, I want you to think about this. I gave you the analogy of the Coke machine. I'm going to give you another analogy. We have our baseball diamond, right? Where you peak interest. Then you show them a video. Then you put them on a 3-way call. Then you close them, right? Or give them to a live event, and then you close them, right? That's the system. That's the baseball diamond we put them through. I put